Let's be real. Most guys out there think they're improving their looks, but they're just coping. You're following the same recycled TikTok glow-up tips, while your face still looks tired, soft, and low status. Because in this video, I'm revealing 7 Looksmaxxing secrets nobody talks about. The ones that actually separate average guys from elite aesthetic men. These aren't gimmicks. They're small shifts that permanently change how people see you and how you see yourself. 1. Fix your mouth posture, or stay average forever. Most of you are destroying your facial symmetry daily without realizing it. Mouth open, tongue flat, weak jaw engagement. It's literally melting your face structure. That habit ruins your jawline, gives you double chin shadows, and ages you faster. The fix. Keep your tongue sealed to your palate. Close your mouth. Breathe through your nose 24/7. This one habit alone improves mid-face support, lifts your profile, and tightens your jaw definition. And no, you don't need some mewing gadget. Your body already has the tool. You're just not using it. 2. Dehydrated skin makes you look 5 years older. You can't have a god face with dry, dull skin. When your skin barrier is damaged, you look tired, unhealthy, and broke, like you haven't slept in days. The fix. Start using a ceramide-based moisturizer twice a day. It restores your skin barrier, keeps your face hydrated, and gives that subtle glow high-status men naturally have. I've linked my top-rated hydration formula in the description. No fragrance, no gimmicks. 3. Stop scrolling at night. It's killing your eyes. You can build hunter eyes if your eyes are sunken and bloodshot from staring at blue light at 2 a.m. That habit raises cortisol, destroys sleep quality, and makes your face puffy and weak. The fix. 2 things. Blue light glasses, plus blackout sleep schedule. Cut screens 1 hour before bed, and your eyes will tighten up fast. Your orbitals recover, your eye bags fade, and your gaze starts to intimidate. Link for my anti-blue light lenses is below. I use them daily. 4. Bad hair. Low status energy. Your hair frames your entire aesthetic. Neglecting your hairline, wrong hairstyle, or dull texture makes you look unkempt, even if your jawline is on point. The fix. Find a hairstyle that matches your face shape, not what's trending. If you've got a longer face, don't go for tall volume cuts. If you've got round cheeks, avoid side fades that widen your face. And get a matte finish styling clay. Shiny hair screams amateur. 5. Yellow teeth kill status. Instantly. No one talks about this enough. You can have perfect bone structure, but if your teeth are yellow, it ruins everything. It signals bad hygiene, low effort, and it subconsciously drops your perceived status. The fix. Use a peroxide-based whitening kit twice a week. Avoid gimmicky charcoal toothpaste. It's abrasive garbage that destroys enamel. I've listed the same whitening kit I use personally in the description. It's clinical grade and safe. 6. Your posture is killing your face. Slouching doesn't just make you look weak. It literally deforms your look. When your head leans forward, it crushes your jawline and creates that turtleneck effect that screams low testosterone. The fix. Strengthen your back and neck posture. Try wall angels, chin tucks, and rows, 5 minutes a day. Within a month, your jawline looks sharper without losing fat. 7. The mindset shift. Stop waiting for good genetics. Here's the truth. The guys you call genetically gifted aren't special. They've just been stacking small Looksmaxxing wins daily, while you keep doubting yourself. If you want to build your god face, stop chasing quick dopamine. Instead, adopt the Looksmaxxing mindset. Every small habit compounds. Sleep, posture, skin, grooming. They all add up to that elite aesthetic energy. This is your wake-up call. You don't need better genes. You need better discipline. If you found even one of these secrets valuable, subscribe right now.